The job description of a finance intern is centered around supporting the financial operations of an organization while gaining real-world experience in accounting, budgeting, financial analysis, and reporting. This entry-level position is typically occupied by undergraduate or graduate students pursuing degrees in finance, accounting, business administration, or related fields. A finance internship serves as a critical stepping stone in a student's career path, offering practical exposure to the inner workings of a company's finance department. Finance interns are expected to bring a foundational understanding of finance concepts learned in the classroom and apply them in a professional environment. Their role involves assisting senior finance professionals with tasks such as data entry, financial modeling, cost analysis, invoice processing, account reconciliation, and report generation. Although the responsibilities may vary depending on the industry or organization, the goal is consistent: to provide the intern with comprehensive exposure to the financial processes that drive a business forward. A finance internship is more than just a learning experience, it's a contribution to the team. Interns must demonstrate initiative, accuracy, and an eagerness to absorb knowledge. They are often involved in real-time projects that have actual business implications. In this way, the finance intern becomes an integral part of the finance team, even if only for a few months. Key functions and learning opportunities. A major component of a finance intern's role involves supporting routine financial activities. This can include preparing journal entries, assisting in month-end closings, maintaining financial records, and supporting audits. Interns may also help in compiling data for the preparation of budgets or financial statements. These experiences allow interns to understand the importance of timeliness, accuracy, and compliance in financial reporting. Depending on the organization, interns may gain exposure to various sub-departments within finance such as accounts payable, accounts receivable, treasury, or financial planning and analysis, FP&A. In accounts payable, they might be tasked with matching purchase orders to invoices, verifying billing accuracy, or coding transactions correctly. In treasury, they may help track cash flow, bank reconciliations, and liquidity reports. Another critical area of learning is financial analysis. Interns may be assigned to support analysts in evaluating revenue streams, identifying cost-saving opportunities, or tracking financial KPIs. They might assist in preparing dashboards or summarizing key insights for management presentations. Exposure to financial modeling and scenario planning helps build analytical thinking and proficiency in Excel or financial software like SAP, QuickBooks, or Oracle. Midway through the job description, it becomes clear that communication and collaboration play a significant role. Interns are not isolated, they interact with colleagues from finance, accounting, operations, and sometimes external vendors or auditors. Through meetings, brainstorming sessions, and review discussions, interns learn how finance interacts with every department in the organization. This enhances their ability to understand business contexts and align financial tasks with broader objectives. One of the defining characteristics of a finance internship is mentorship. Interns often work under the direct supervision of a finance manager, senior accountant, or controller. Regular feedback sessions help them refine their technical and soft skills. Interns are encouraged to ask questions, seek clarification, and take on assignments that challenge them. This mentorship fosters growth and instills the professional behavior expected in full-time finance roles. In many companies, finance interns are assigned individual or group projects that culminate in presentations to senior leadership. These projects might involve analyzing a business unit's financial health, identifying inefficiencies, or recommending financial strategies based on data analysis. Such assignments give interns a taste of strategic decision-making and the role of finance in steering company direction. Skills and qualifications required. To qualify for a finance internship, candidates are generally expected to be enrolled in a bachelor's or master's degree program in finance, accounting, economics, or business. Some internships may be open to students from related disciplines who have taken relevant coursework. A strong academic record, especially in subjects like financial accounting, corporate finance, statistics, and business law, is highly preferred. Technical skills form the foundation of an intern's productivity. Proficiency in Microsoft Excel is often non-negotiable. Interns should be comfortable using spreadsheets to perform calculations, generate charts, and build financial models. Familiarity with accounting software, enterprise resource planning, ERP, systems, or business intelligence tools can also provide a competitive edge. Analytical thinking and attention to detail are essential traits. Interns must be able to analyze numerical data, identify inconsistencies, and present logical conclusions. Given that financial tasks often involve large volumes of data, precision is crucial. A single miscalculation or oversight can impact reports and decision-making. Communication skills, both verbal and written, are equally important. Interns must be able to explain financial information clearly, whether in email summaries, Excel annotations, or verbal discussions. The ability to collaborate with team members, listen actively, and present ideas coherently is critical to succeeding in a professional environment. Time management and organizational skills ensure that tasks are completed within deadlines. Interns often juggle multiple assignments, requiring them to prioritize effectively and stay organized. Interns who can demonstrate discipline and reliability are more likely to be entrusted with complex tasks and high-visibility projects. Soft skills like adaptability, curiosity, and a willingness to learn are valued traits. A finance internship is as much about growth as it is about contribution. Employers look for interns who are proactive, receptive to feedback, and capable of learning quickly in a fast-paced environment. Work environment and career benefits. A finance intern typically works in a corporate office environment, either on-site or remotely, depending on the employer's setup. The internship may be part-time during academic semesters or full-time during summer breaks. Most internships last 8 to 12 weeks, although some can extend for 6 months or more. Interns are often assigned a desk or workspace, provided with access to company systems, and integrated into team meetings and training sessions. Interns benefit from networking opportunities with professionals across departments. Many companies organize intern-specific events, training programs, and social activities to foster camaraderie and engagement. These opportunities allow interns to build relationships, learn from experienced colleagues, and gain insights into career paths within the organization. From a career perspective, a finance internship significantly enhances a student's employability. It demonstrates practical experience, professional competence, and a commitment to the finance field. Many interns go on to secure full-time job offers from the same organizations. Even when that's not the case, the internship serves as a valuable line on a resume and often leads to interviews and offers from other employers in the industry. Internships can also help individuals clarify their career interests. By working in different areas such as financial planning, investment analysis, or audit support, interns can discover which paths align best with their skills and aspirations. This clarity helps them tailor future studies or certifications accordingly. Conclusion. The job description of a finance intern highlights a role that is both supportive and developmental. Interns contribute to key financial operations while building a strong foundation for a future career in finance. From budgeting assistance to financial analysis and audit support, the role exposes interns to the core functions of a finance department and fosters both technical and interpersonal skills. The experience gained during a finance internship is instrumental in transitioning from academic learning to professional execution. Interns not only learn how to apply theoretical concepts in real-life scenarios but also understand how financial decisions shape the overall health and strategy of a business. By working closely with finance professionals, interns gain mentorship, feedback, and exposure to best practices that prepare them for future roles in the field. Ultimately, the finance intern serves as both a learner and a contributor. The skills acquired, whether in Excel modeling, financial reporting, or team collaboration, become stepping stones to roles such as financial analyst, accountant, auditor, or even finance manager. For those committed to a career in finance, the internship is not just a short-term opportunity but a long-term investment in growth, experience, and career success.